Medium.com paid me $10,446 without writing. How to make money online. So, do you want to learn how to make money on Medium? Awesome. Medium is a free platform for writers from all backgrounds to publish their stories and get paid. That's the simple version. But the reality is that it's not that simple. I joined Medium back in 2014 before I started my blog. Medium has changed a lot since then, and I ultimately decided to ditch Medium to focus solely on my blog. The main reason is that my blog is far more lucrative than Medium will ever be. Medium can still be a good platform for new writers though. So if you're really interested, this guide will explain everything you need to know about making money on Medium, from how you're paid, tips of success, and more. Quick links. What is Medium? Before we talk too much about how to make money on Medium, I want to make sure you're clear on what the platform is. So let me break it down for you. Medium is an online publishing platform where everyone, and I mean anyone, can publish articles. It's like YouTube for writers. I actually publish stories, that's what Medium call articles, before officially starting my blog. I had no clue how to start a blog back then, but I had things to say, and that's where Medium came in. It's free to write and read stories on Medium, but you need to be a Medium number to view an unlimited number of stories. Memberships are $5 per month or $50 per year. It's these membership fees that pay writers. That's how Medium makes money. Back in 2012, when Medium was first launched by one of Twitter's co-founders, it was an invite-only site. The purpose was to give writers more than Twitter standard 140 characters, that was the word count back in 2012, to share their ideas and stories. Today, anyone can create an account on Medium and start writing. Learning how to make money on Medium is more involved than creating an account and publishing some stories, but that's what this guide is for. Let's dive in. Make $1,000 to $5,000 per month as a freelance writer. Go from I don't know what I'm doing to I landed my first client. How do you get paid to write on Medium? You need to be part of the Medium Partner Program to make money writing on Medium. Bonus, the program is completely free to sign up for. Writers enrolled in Medium Partner Program earn a portion of money paid by Medium members. Members pay $5 per month or $50 per year and get to view and post unlimited stories on the platform. While the partner program is free, there are two requirements: have at least 100 followers and have published at least one story on Medium in the past. Once your account meets those requirements, you can join your partner program, but you still need to make your account eligible for payments. Basically, you allow Medium to put your articles behind a paywall. Medium walks you through the process of putting your stories behind the paywall, but the majority of people will still be able to read your articles for free. In addition, non-members get to read a certain number of articles for free each month. The idea is that the more time someone spends on Medium and reading your story, the more likely they are to pay for membership. That's why Medium essentially gives a few stories away to non-paying readers. Back to how you make money on Medium. For Medium writers enrolled in the Medium Partner Program, there are two ways your stories can get a portion of member payment. First one, total read time on your article from Medium members. The second one is bonus earned when a non-member reader signs up within 30 days after reading your article. Writers used to get paid based on the number of claps their story received, but Medium got rid of the pay by claps model in 2019. Claps are still important. An article with a lot of claps might get noticed by Medium curators, but they are no longer essential. It's recommended that writers also become members because you can post an unlimited number of stories per day, read as much as you want, and get a sense of what's popular. I know that's a lot of pieces, but here's the TLDR version of how people make money on Medium. Join Medium's partner program for free. Publish at least one story and get 100 followers. Make your stories eligible to earn money and a portion of member payments. Bonus payments, curated and featured articles. Medium has a couple of ways it rewards writers with outstanding content. A really stellar article can earn you a bonus payment, which is typically a $100 payment. There aren't clear guidelines for what warrants a bonus payment, but is decided by Medium's human editors. There are also a couple of ways Medium sets apart exceptional content. First one is curated. A curated article is one editors have decided is high quality enough to be recommended in one or more topics. Featured. Features articles are a big deal. Medium gives your story the front page treatment, and it's a huge honor. Like bonus payments, Medium isn't clear on what stories become curated or featured, but these are a big deal for writers. It almost guarantees there will be more eyes on your writing, and that means more money. How much money can I make writing on Medium? The vast majority of Medium writers end up under $100 a month. So making a full-time living writing on Medium isn't in the cards for most people. The reality is that most people won't even make enough to cover their student loan payments. Here is what Medium has to say about writer pay. The very top writers, less than 1% of Medium writers make $5,000 to $30 a month. It took most of the writers 1 to 2 years of writing for Medium before they start making that much. Around 94% of writers can earn under $100 per month. Around 6% of writers make some money. That only means more than $0. Writing for Medium isn't a way to get rich quickly. It's entirely possible to earn money from Medium, but it's a long game. How does Medium pay writers? Remember, Medium pays writers based on how long a reader spends reading an article. And writers also earn money when a new reader signs up for membership within 30 days of reading their article. But here are more details on how earnings are calculated. How long members spend reading your story. Medium doesn't give an exact formula, but the more time spent reading your story is equal to more money. Medium shows you stats about your story daily total member reading time and daily earnings. In addition, they calculate reading time from both members and non-members, especially because if non-members become a member within 30 days, Medium includes this in your reading time. Second one, how much monthly reading time members spend on your story. This is how Medium rewards writers with loyal readers. For example, if you have a reader who spends 10% of their monthly reading time on one of your stories, you earn 10% of their subscription fee. This typically works well for writers who find a niche topic and build their following based on that niche. The number of Medium members you refer. This is straightforward. Medium pays you half of what that reader Medium pays you half of that new reader's membership fee. For every new member you refer, you earn that portion of their membership fees if their plan remains active. Tips for making money on Medium: find a niche. Because Medium rewards writers with loyal readers, niching down is very beneficial. Focus on the storytelling process. Medium articles are called stories for a reason. Stories are far more compelling than, than dry articles like research papers. You want to speak to readers as if they are in the room listening to you. Always put these three things in your opening: an eye-catching headline, grab their attention the minute they see your article; solid opening paragraph, interesting authoritative leading, let the readers know you have a way with words, and this is going to be a great read all the way to the end. Share your stories. You should definitely share your stories on social media, your email list, your blog followers, and so on, and make it easy for those people to share your Medium stories from there. People who already have some loyalty to you are more likely to stay on the page for the entire article. That's one of the major factors in how to make money on Medium. Don't focus too much on Medium memberships. Converting your readers into paying Medium member space, but most writers aren't earning a meaningful income this way. Honestly, it feels like a little spammy to push readers too hard into buying a membership. Push more ways to make money on Medium. What I really like about Medium is that it presents opportunities for growth, and that means you're not limited to how Medium pays you. Here are even more ways to make money on Medium. Affiliate income. Medium allows content with affiliate links, meaning you can share links to Amazon or any other affiliates. Those links need to be meaningful, so share them appropriately. Freelance writing opportunities. If you want to become a freelance writer, Medium can help you get started. The platform can act as a portfolio and present future opportunities. Promote your blog. Medium allows for a wide readership, so they allow you to share outside links. This gives you great opportunity to promote your blog. Promote your business. For entrepreneurs, Medium can present multiple ways to make money. It gives you a niche topic to write about, and you can link it to your business for free. Blogging on Medium versus WordPress. If you're thinking about starting a blog, Medium sounds like a perfect place to get started. It's free, easy to use, and anyone can start writing. Heck, I started my blog on Medium, and now it's what I do for a living. But my experience blogging leads me to believe that blogging on WordPress is better than Medium. Medium has a lot going for it. You can share affiliate links, it's free. The Medium page is several ways, but WordPress has far more benefits. There are more ways to make money on WordPress. You can make money through sponsored posts, affiliate links, display ads, selling your own products, and more. Your blog is fully customizable. Medium has customization limits, but you can do virtually anything you want with WordPress blog. There are free themes to start, but you can pay for more options when you're ready. It's easier to build an email list. Your email list is gold, and a WordPress blog makes it easy to create a sign up form and grab readers' emails. Medium now has tools for list building, introduced in 2021, but it's limited. Pros and cons of writing for Medium. Pros, it's free. There are $0 hosting fees, domain fees, or any other fees related to writing on Medium. It's recommended that you pay the $5 per month membership fee, but you don't have to. Huge readership. Medium gives you the opportunity for your writing to be seen by millions of readers. No technical component. Medium makes it simple. You just write. You don't have to worry about search engine optimization or setting up a blog. You can export articles. Medium gives you the ability to export stories you've published on the platform as HTML files. This means you can start writing on Medium and eventually publish them on your blog. Cons, there's a lot of competition, the traffic isn't yours, and the pay is quite low. The final word on how to make money on Medium. Medium makes it incredibly simple to start writing on their site, but the making money part will take a little more time. The first thing you need to do is sign up for the Medium Partner Program. It's completely free. I was pretty quick to pivot from writing on Medium to blogging because blogging is far more lucrative and you can have total control of your content. Those were huge deal breakers for me, and it's worked out well. I've grown a seven-figure business from this site, and I don't know if that would have been possible on Medium. Frequently asked questions. How much does Medium pay per 1,000 views? Medium writers average $15 to $30 for every 1,000 views, but Medium doesn't pay per view, they pay per read time. So while those views help, you want to focus on keeping readers on the page because that's where the real money comes from. Is writing on Medium worth it? Medium can be worth it for new writers, but it honestly depends on your goals. If you want to build your writing stamina and develop your niche, then Medium could be a good starting point. But to make money writing, blogging, or freelance writing, WordPress could be more lucrative. How much can you realistically make on Medium? While it's possible to make $100 per month, more or less, Medium 10% of Medium writers make less than that each month. Can you really make money on Medium? Yes, you can make money on Medium, but it's a long game. You need to sign up for Medium's partner program to start making money. How much does Medium pay per read? Medium pays by reading time, not per read. So the more people read your stuff, the more money you earn. That's a simple explanation. So we come to today's session on Medium. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every single time we post. Thank you.